Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your HP Compaq 250. First you need to power it on with the power button, which is here. I have mine already powered on, but it's pretty simple, just click on it. Sometimes you need to press in harder if it doesn't catch that the first time. Then it should turn on looking like this. Also, if it doesn't turn on, then you may need to connect it to the AC power because the battery may be discharged. And the first question you'll see is about the country or region. Sometimes, in some rare cases, you will also get the question about the language before, but usually you just get the country or region first. So just select it, then click on yes, then select the keyboard input method, and I'm gonna actually scroll down to find mine. Then click on yes. Now if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can click on add layout, but I'm gonna click on skip. Now you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network or use an adapter to connect to Ethernet network or plug in a modem, whatever. I'm gonna connect to this one, click on connect, then enter its password. Now I'm connected, so I can click on next. And now it usually checks for updates, and often there are actually some updates that will be installed, and it may take a longer while, even up to 20 or 30 minutes depending on your connection and depending on the type of updates that's gonna be installed. I think in my case there is gonna be no updates. So now you have the license agreement, click on accept, and I think it checks for updates again for some people. Then it will ask you to name your device. I'm gonna skip it for now. And of course, if it checks for updates for you, then you don't need to click on anything, just wait until it gets to another step. It will restart itself and do all the stuff it needs to do without a need for you to click on anything. Yeah, in my case there were no updates, so I can go further by clicking on sign in, and now I need to sign into the Microsoft account. Unfortunately it is mandatory, although there are some bypasses that you may do, but it's recommended to sign in, and there's no official bypass for that. So let's just type in the email and password. And now if the email and password was entered correctly, I can click on continue. Of course, if you don't have a Microsoft account, there was a button to click on create account, so you could create a new one if you don't have it. Now click on create PIN, and you need to create a PIN in order to log into your laptop. You can see that if this checkbox isn't checked, then you can only insert numbers, and if it's checked you can also include letters and symbols. Now it asks you if you want to let Microsoft and apps use your location. I'm gonna click on no, then click on accept. Now if you want to use find my device, I'm gonna click on no as well. Now if you want to set diagnostic data to Microsoft. Now if you want to improve inking and typing, and now if you want to get tailored experiences with diagnostic data, then click on accept. And now if you want to let apps use your advertising ID, accept. And now it actually wants to restore my PC from backup, so you can click on restore from this PC. But you can also instead click on more options and now choose a different backup, or click on set up as a new PC, and that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna click on that again to confirm, And now it will ask me additional questions, and after that I'll be ready to use my laptop. And now it asks you to customize your experience, so you can select what do you do on your laptop. I'm gonna click on skip. Now it asks you if you want to connect your phone from your PC. So if you do, you can just follow these instructions. I'm gonna click on skip. Now it asks me about backing up my files to OneDrive. I'm gonna click on don't back up my files, but it is recommended to click on backup my files so you don't lose them. And now if you want to import your browsing data, gonna click on not now. Now if you want a free trial of Microsoft 365 Family, it actually has a 1 month free trial, and then you'll be charged around $100. So I'm gonna click on decline. And then if you want to use Microsoft 365 Basic, which is about $2 monthly, so I'm gonna click on decline, then click on the next, and here we go. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.